Welcome to QuickMedTalk, your online destination for medical lectures. Let's discuss tracheostomy. By definition, tracheostomy is a permanent or temporary opening in the cervical trachea created through a surgical incision below the cricoid cartilage. The word tracheostomy is derived from a Latin word, trachea, and a Greek word, tome, which means to make an opening. Types of tracheostomy. We have surgical and percutaneous procedure, emergency and elective tracheostomy, as well as permanent and temporary tracheostomy. Types of tracheostomy tubes. We have cuffed and uncuffed, fenestrated and unfenestrated, as well as single and double lumen. Layers of dissection. Begins with the skin, subcutaneous tissue, platysma, investing layer of the deep cervical fascia, strap muscles like stenohyoid and stenothyroid, pretracheal fascia, thyroid isthmus, and trachea. Indication of tracheostomy. We have upper airway obstruction, example congenital, like laryngostenosis and laryngomalacia. Trauma, example endotracheal tube injuries and cut throat. Infections like epiglottitis and diphtheria. Malignant tumors like C of the larynx and C of the thyroid, as well as vocal cord paralysis, example post-thyroidectomy. Protection of the tracheobronchial tree for reduction of secretion, example in myasthenia gravis, brainstem stroke, as well as multiple rib fractures. Assisted ventilation in prolonged intubation, like prolonged coma of any cause and extensive facial-maxillary surgery. Respiratory failure for reduction of dead space, like in chronic obstructive airway disease, severe bronchial asthma, Guillain-Barré syndrome, and abnormal thoracic cage, example thoracic kyphosis. Complication of tracheostomy. We have early complication like bleeding, infection, plugging with mucus, tube displacement, subcutaneous emphysema, and atelectasis. Late complication, example stenosis and scarring, infections, trachea and laryngomalacia, failure to decannulate, fistulas, example tracheoesophageal fistula, tracheocutaneous fistula, and tracheoinnominate fistula. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. In the bio, you'll find the link to our Instagram, Facebook, and SLIDESHARE account.